Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll dive right in on how to perform switching between projects quickly on Asana. This is your complete guide for 2025. First off, log into your Asana account. It's important to start here because this is where all your projects and tasks are. Think of it as the central hub of your productivity. Now that we've logged in, navigate to the sidebar on the left. The reason we do this is because this is where all your projects are displayed. Scroll down to see all your projects. Don't worry, if you have many projects, they're neatly organized in alphabetical order. Next up, hover over the project you want to switch to and click on it. This takes you directly to the project dashboard. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Asana is pulling up all the tasks, conversations, and files related to that project. If you need to switch to another project, simply repeat the last step. Go back to the sidebar, find the next project, and click on it. This helps us because it enables us to switch between projects quickly and efficiently, reducing time spent navigating and increasing productivity. Now, let me explain why this matters. In today's fast-paced work environment, saving even a few seconds can add up to significant time savings over the long run. Plus, this quick switching allows you to keep track of multiple projects at once, making sure none of them fall through the cracks. To wrap up, switching between projects swiftly on Asana is as simple as logging in, navigating to the sidebar, and clicking on the project you want to view. Remember, time saved is time earned. That's all for today's tutorial. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one.